Dear viewers, here we discuss about Maths 2A, IPE, AP and TS exam blueprint. Maths 2A, second year mathematics A paper. So what is the blueprint? First section 1. In section 1, what is section 1? Section A. Section A, totally 10 problems. 10 problems are very short answer questions. Okay, all of you. So, first question, second question from complex numbers. Third question from De Moivre's theorem. Fourth question from quadratic equation. Fifth question from theory of equation. Sixth and seventh questions are permutations and combinations. Eighth question binomial theorem. Ninth question measure of dispersion. 10th question random variable and probability distribution. Each question carries 2 marks. Totally section A totally 20 marks. Okay, all of you, all questions you can attempt, all questions, solve all questions. So this is the section A. This is the section A in Maths 2A, IPE, Blueprint, AP and TS state. Okay, all of you. Next, section B. Here you see all of you section B. Section B have total 7 questions. 7 questions. In this you can attempt only 5 questions. 5 questions. So 2 questions are choice. 2 questions are choice and each question carries 4 marks. 5 into 4 is equal to totally 20 marks. Here question number 11 from complex number, question number 12 quadratic equation, question number 13 and 14 permutations and combinations, question number 15 partial fraction, question number 16 and 17 probability. So this is the totally section B. Section B total 20 marks, carries 20 marks. Section A carries 10 marks. Section A carries 10 marks. Section B carries 20 marks. Okay, totally 20 marks. Each question 4 marks. That is total 7 marks in section B. You can attempt to 5 marks. 5 marks. 5 into 4 is equal to 20 marks. 20 marks. Okay, all of you. This is the section B. Here, dear viewers, here section C, Maths 2A, IPE Blueprint, section C. 18th question from De Moivre's theorem. 19th question from theory of equation. 21 question binomial theorem. 22 question measure of dispersion. 23 question probability. 24 question random variable and probability distribution. Totally 7 questions. Out of 7, only 5 questions you can solve. So totally 5 questions. Each question 5 into 7 marks is question. Long answer question. Long answer questions. These are each question 7 marks. Totally 35 marks. So section A carries 20 marks. Section B carries 20 marks. Section C carries 35 marks. 35 marks. Totally 75 marks. 3 sections. Totally 75 marks. Okay, all of you. Then this is Maths 2A, AP state and Telangana state. Blueprint as per Board of Intermediate Education. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here, one of the problem from complex numbers, 2 marks problem for IPE. So here you see we have given find the square root of 7 plus 24i minus 14 plus I into 8 root 3. 7 plus 24 iota. Here given 7 plus 24 iota is equal to a plus ib. We have to find square root of this one. So square root of a plus ib is equal to plus or minus root over root a square plus b square, a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into square root of root a square plus b square minus a by 2. Here b greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0, b greater than 0. Suppose this one square plus or minus root over a square plus b square under root plus a by 2. Okay, minus I into root over root a square plus b square minus a by 2. Here this is b less than 0. If b is negative, you can use this formula. B is positive, you can use this formula. Okay, all of you, by using this formula, first you have to find root over a square plus b square. So here root over 7 plus 24i. A is equal to 7 and b is equal to 24. So root over 7 square plus 24 square is equal to 49 plus here 24 ja, so 576. So here 24 ja 576 is equal to 625 is equal to 25. Okay, all of you, this value root over a square plus b square value is 25. Root over a square plus b square value is 25. Then what is the square root of this one? Plus this is root over 25 plus a, 25 plus 7 by 2 comma this is plus I into root over 25 minus 7 by 2 is equal to plus or minus 25 plus 7 32, 32 by 2 root 4, 32 by 2 16, root 16 plus I into 25 minus 7, 25 minus 7 what? 25 minus 7 18, 18 by 2 9. So root 9. So what is value? This is equal to plus or minus 4 plus 3i is the square root of root over 7 plus 24i. Okay, all of you, that's all. We have the second problem, that is second one. You see, all of you, second one, minus 47 plus I 8 root 3 is equal to a plus ib, where a is equal to what? Minus 47, b is equal to 8 root 3. Then what is the square root of a plus ib? A plus ib is equal to plus or minus square root of root a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into square root of a square plus b square square root minus a by 2 if b greater than 0. Here b greater than 0, 8 root 3 is greater than 0. Okay, all of you. Then we have to find root a square plus b square. Root over a square plus b square is equal to root over minus 47 whole square plus 8 root 3 whole square is equal to what? 47 ja. You see 47 ja. That is 49, 7 4 ja 28 plus 4 32, 4 7 ja 28 2, 4 4 ja 16, 18. This is 9, 10, 1. Here 8, 9, 8 plus 4, 12, 1, 2 to 0, 9. And also 8 root 3 whole square. This is 64 into 3. 3 4 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 192. 192, 192, 11. This is 10, 4 2, 2 4. This is the 4 4 ja 16. Here 801. So this is 4 you take here. This is 8, 9 into 9, 801. So this is answer. Here square root of this one is what? This is 2209, 2209 plus this value 192 is equal to root over what? 2401 is equal to, this is 49. Square root of this one is 49. Then after root over minus 47 plus I into 8 root 3 is equal to plus or minus root over square root of. What is the value of this one? 49. 49 plus A. A is equal to minus 47. Minus 47 by 2 plus I into root over a square. This is 49 minus of minus 47 by 2. Okay, all of you. So this is equal to 49 minus 47. So this is square root of this one is 49. 49 minus 47, 2. 2 by 2, 1. So this is 1 plus or minus here 1 plus 49 plus 47. 49 plus 47, 16. This is 96 by 2. 2 4 ja. Okay. 2 4 ja 8. 2 8 ja. This is 48. 48 by 2. 48 by 2. 24. Plus this is 24I. Okay, all of you. So this A plus IB is equal to this one. Here you see, all of you, A plus IB, that is root over minus 47 plus I into 8 root 3 is equal to plus or minus 1 plus 24I is the square root of this one. Okay, all of you. Thank you. Here we have question number 2. Find the complex conjugate of 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. This is from complex numbers for IP. So we have the problem. Find the complex conjugate of 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. Two complex numbers are given. So that is 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i implies or is equal to 2 into 3, 6. 3 into minus 3i, minus 9i. 4 into 2, plus 8i. 4 into 3, minus 12, plus into minus, minus 12i square. But here, iota square is equal to minus 1 and iota cube is equal to minus I. Iota power 4 is equal to 1. Iota power 4 is equal to 1. Iota is equal to root over minus 1. You remember this one. Very, very important rule. So this is equal to 6 minus 9 plus 8i minus I. This is minus 12 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. So 6 minus I plus 12 is equal to 18 minus I. This is 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. So we have to conjugate of this one. Conjugate of 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. is equal to conjugate of 18 minus I is equal to what? 18 plus I. Why? Because A plus IB conjugate A minus IB. This is the formula. Conjugate A plus IB conjugate A minus IB. By using this one, conjugate is 18 plus I. Okay, all of you? That's all. Here, question number 3. Find the complex conjugate of 2 plus 5i minus 4 plus 6i. So, you can solve this problem yourself. So, this is, you can multiply this is in the form of similar to previous problem. You can solve yourself this as homework. Okay, all of you? That's all. Question number 4. Find the polar form of the following complex numbers. Polar form of the complex numbers. Okay, here suppose a plus ib is the complex number. Polar form r into cos theta plus I sin theta is the polar form, where r is equal to root over a square plus b square, and tan theta is equal to r sin theta by r cos theta. This one. So tan theta is equal to, this is b by a. Tan theta is equal to b by a. Theta is equal to tan inverse of b by a. You can use this formula for polar form. Okay, all of you? Here a plus ib is equal to, first problem, this is minus 1 minus root 3i. Then what is A? A is equal to minus 1 and B is equal to minus root 3, and tan theta is equal to B by A, that is tan theta is equal to minus root 3 by minus 1 is equal to root 3. That is tan theta is equal to tan how many degrees is equal to root 3? Tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. Theta is equal to pi by 3. Then what is the polar form? Next we have to find r value. R is equal to root over a square plus b square. A square plus b square. A is equal to minus 1. B is equal to minus root 3. Minus 1 whole square into minus root 3 whole square. Root over 1 plus 3 is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. Then what is the polar form? That is minus 1 minus root 3. Minus 1 minus root 3 is equal to, or 2 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 is the polar form of minus 1 minus root 3i. Okay, all of you, this is the find out the polar form of the given complex number. Okay, all of you, that's all. You see second one. Second one, z is equal to minus 7 plus I root 21. Here a is equal to minus 7, b is equal to root 21, root over r is equal to root over a square plus b square, root over minus 7 whole square, root 21 whole square, r is equal to root over 49 plus 21, root over 9 plus 1, 10, 1, 4 plus 3, 7. This is 70. Okay, all of you? 49 minus 7 whole square is 49 plus 150 plus 20, 70. So, this is the root 70 R value. Next, we have to find, this is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to B by A is equal to minus root 21 plus root 21 by minus 7. So, tan theta is equal to, this is root 7 into root 3 by minus 7. See, this is, so tan theta is equal to minus root over 3 by 7, minus root over 3 by 7. So theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of minus root 3 by 7. Then what is the polar form? So polar form of minus 7 plus I root 21 is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Minus 7 plus I root 21 is equal to, what is the r value? R value is root 70. Root 70 of cos theta plus I sin theta, where theta is equal to tan inverse of minus root 3 by 7. So this is the polar form of the given complex number. Z is equal to minus 7 plus I root 21. Okay, all of you, that's all. Similarly, you can find these two, third and fourth problem similar to this problem. Okay, all of you, that's all. Here we have problem from complex numbers. If z is equal to 2 minus 3i, show that z square minus 4z plus 13 equal to 0. So what is given here? Complex number z is equal to 2 minus 3i. So you can take into this side, z minus 2 is equal to minus 3, square on both sides, z minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 3i. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. So z square minus 4z plus 2 square is equal to, this is minus 3i whole square. So z square minus 4z plus 4 equal to, this is minus 3 whole square is plus 3 into I square. We know that I square is equal to minus 1. Iota square is equal to minus 1. Then after here z square minus 4z plus 4 is equal to minus 9. You can take into this side, z square minus 4z plus 4 plus 9 equal to 0. So z square minus 4z plus 13 equal to 0 is the answer. Okay, all of you, that's all. Thank you.